this, we're gonna take the energy.
Okay.
Kagi na, may na.
Officers lang, oh. Ano yun? Okay, mag-stock up dito. Yung mga
Uy,
hindi officer,
tinitira ako.
umalis dito.
Part, papatay nga nito.
Ako na mag-attack.
Na? Oh my god, no!
Meron naka-hell ano rito sa
Okay lang, wag niyo sundan, wag niyo sundan.
Tama na galing nga, grabe yung grind mo.
Nagbabasag kami ni Sisius dito.
Invite daw si Lord Grim, oh, party 2.
I mean, para
May
makuha
ano
mo.
dito, may vortex dito na green, no?
Grind mo,
Up na, sa lake.
And then we're going to attack this, we're gonna fight here tomorrow. Yeah. Go fast man for now, please. And then we go fight, we go medo right after.
Pero to
Lutin nyo na to, guys. Lutin nyo na.
Lake.
Go.
Tutuluyan ko tong pader na to.
Wag na, boss friend. Yo, all tanks pull out. All scouts pull out.
Tinuluyan.
Binutas eh.
Pambubutas.
Hey baby.
Sinog ko.
Guys, come. All scouts pull out and then
Ano?
tignan nyo lang tong ano. Ang tawag nito, yung energy.
Ah.
Tignan nyo tapos ano kayo, push forward kayo to Meadow. We go Whitestone Meadow for fight.
May points ba yan? Sa individual?
Meron.
Ah, okay.
Parang ano rin yan. Parang 14.
Hold, pasilip.
Haplusin mo yung sa safe pot.
Come. Occult. We have 2 occults, right?
Bakit dalawa ano na?
Yung occult nasa likod eh. Ayaw iharap. What the fuck?
Yo, come. Okay. Bilisan nyo please. May fight na sa Veil. Scouts proceed to Veil. Invite Iguana.
Occult yung mga may hawak ng
Yo, come fast. PLAC is on our ass. Come. Just wait. Bilis. Yung energy please, revoke is iyan nyo.
Ako, di pa man na. Okay na pag
Hindi,
nasilip.
akin na.
Ang tabi.
Sa Ville ba sila, boss? Punta na ako.
Incline daw.
Donation tab.
Nandito GE, level 14.
Yeah, we fight. Hold on.
Morris.
Fast. Yo, kanina to. Oh, sige na, bilis. Relay, boys. Relay.
Pasok
Nakita
nyo na,
naman
Park.
natin.
Huwag na kayo maghintay. May fight na.
Igo.
Sige.
Drop it. Igo. Drop mo na. Naglalag ka.
Ito pila.
Wala, na-DC pa. Ayun. Drop mo na, Igo.
Pila, Carp.
Igo drop.
41 day.
Sige, okay na. Pasok nyo na, please. Hayaan nyo na yan. Kung naglalag siya, kita nyo naman na eh. Come southeast.
Wala kaming point.
Yeah, it's fine. Come southeast. What's our final deal?
Clear yung comms, ha? Bayaan nyo yung top scout, guys. Magsalita. Para hindi magulo yung comms natin.
Ano dito?
Hawak ko pa rin
Sige.
yung lot gago. Bakit tinepo mo na?
Hyuk, where are you, Hyuk? I'm coming. Incline?
Malaking blob
Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm coming.
papuntang ano.
Sa Terry.
Yung malaking blob papuntang Glen.
Okay, come.
Sa northwest ng ano. Northwest ng Vale
Alright,
ngayon. Black 41 DA.
Yeah, okay. Party 1, party 2 2-1. Party 2 2-1, please. Cluster Prio, please.
Paset to cluster pryo.
2 kills to ah. Dito din ano. Dito din
Mogo. Yeah.
Coming na yung ano. Coming na pa-incline yung ano. Yung
Yeah, come to
black.
the Terry.
Mid map na sila.
Magde-defend ba tayo dito, Orios?
Yeah. Come.
Pusi ko na to.
Wag mo na. Wag mo. Okay.
Baliw. Na magabo.
Patay na ako dito.
Wag mo iharap. Ang ina iba ka na ng battle month. Wag ka magharap.
Zoning in na.
Carb ka na galing.
Yeah.
2-1 no? PT2, 2-1.
2-1.
On ping na sila.
Ano, pero win to win daw.
Kapit na lang.
Yan sila.
Eh wait.
Ay, nice.
Di nag-full zone, di nag-full zone. Puro battle mouse lang to.
Guys, don't pick ah.
Andito
pick
na
over
naman.
Naayos na parayo ng party to.
May mga bomba yan. Okay,
Andito, may ano yung Hello Kitty andito
Okay, okay. Yo,
Careful of
tank,
600 guys.
yeah, just watch out for 600, okay? 600 talaga, 600 talaga.
Saka Yugi.
600 or Wacky.
Okay.
Yun yung bomb guys ah.
Asan sila nagpo-position yun?
Andito,
Saka
dito
Yumi.
on ping.
Tawa, dismount ka na dito.
Rotating sila. Dismounted na, putang na.
Gagi. Gawa ko ng ano ngayon.
Okay, gago.
Mayan na yan, please, don't fucking cloud the comms. Hello?
Dito na. Dismounted na. In
Yeah.
front of me.
Yeah. Okay, you hold. You hold on wait. You hold on wait. Yo, battle mounts 1-1 ha. Yung mga battle mounts. Yan.
In front of you, one screen away.
Yeah. Come. Be ready. Perma engage northeast over the wall. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Northeast down. Adan, ka back. You're fine. Late DPS. Ka back. Hello, patay ako?
Boy ka,
Boy ka.
Uy, taglag ako.
Balik ka lang. Nice, okay ka na.
Nagtayo, peka.
Ready na
Hold on,
Spirit Hunter ah.
Yeah,
check.
just wait. Careful. Not yet.
Sino mga bomb niya, ano? Pakol.
Care. Food OC.
Lakin boys, lakin.
Food OC. Careful, don't come to me.
DPS 10 dart.
Ready, give me a call when we engage ha. Northeast deep. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Northeast deep. Come back. Too late, defense. You're so late. Let me know cooldown.
4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Ready Spirit
Can you
Hunter.
come west side? Can you come west side? Come west
Kamarada.
side. Come west. Be ready ha. We're gonna do something stupid here, but it's fine.
Okay.
Come north.
Dito na tayo ano, Mogo.
Come east side. Be ready. Tanks, I need you to step up. Come west side. I don't see my tanks in my
Siege
front.
bomb, east side. Siege bomb,
Yeah.
east side.
Be ready. Look, walk. Southeast. 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Blow this up. Adan, ka back. Look, they're looking. Yeah. They're looking. Def. Out your front.
Dito lang.
Yo, Gondor, why are you in the front? Let me know cooldown.
Ready Spirit Hunter, Urias.
Yeah, let me know cooldown. Yeah. Let me know cooldown. Ready. Just wait. Ready. Southeast shallow. 3, 2, 1. Inside. And then come back. Yo, if you die trigger.
Don't
Come
pull down
back.
Urias ah.
Yeah, come back fast. You're fine. Let me know cooldown.
4 seconds. Ready.
Hold on. Be ready. Yo, come back. They're pulling us in. Hold on. Spread. Hold on. Yo, actually, slowly step in. Careful. Be ready. Yo, ready. Shallow on me. Wait. Hold. Just wait. They're looking. Come back. Hold back. Ready. Shallow southeast. 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Left together. Demon. And then be careful. They're wrapping north side. Careful. Drink your gigs now. Spread. Give me a cult on the backland. Good job, boys. Let me know cooldown. Def. Ready. Come east.
No cooldown.
Come east, let me know cooldown. Pa J ng north deep. Oh, you come back. Def. Demon. Look at me. Shallow. Yo, everybody come back. Yo, guys, listen. Come west. Ready, shallow inside us. 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside us. Inside. Blow this up. Argo, bakit yung Spirit Hunter andyan na sa loob?
Sorry.
Yo, if you die trigger. Holy shit.